The Naughty Artisan.
All right, this is the Montana marble effect. Super easy effect, really easy to replicate it. You could do this over and over again. We're gonna use Montana marble. I'll leave a link in the recipe that you can so you can buy it. The key is start off your board. I've got a natural gray board here, and you wanna hit your edges. I'm gonna hold back here, not here, so I blast out my, my effect. I want it here so I get a natural one. I'm gonna hit my edges first, then we'll look over the top. So I'm gonna start over the edge, real broad strokes, easy moving, just like that. And I wanna hit all 4 edges first so that we can get beautiful fronts. And then I'm gonna look at that and go, oh, it looks pretty nice, but I do want a little bit more like that. And it's just that simple. That's how you apply your marble down. You let it set, it'll dry up. Pull the strings off from the edge there. Once it's dried, pour a clear coat on the top of this, let it dry, and you're gonna end up with something that looks just like this. I put a little bit of diamond dust in it, and you get a really nice finished look at it. This is the Montana marble effect. It's money all day long, people love it, and it's real easy and replicatable for you to do as a contractor. Montana marble. Hey Naughty Nation, if you like this video, please subscribe to us, ring the bell so you can see our projects when they come up in the future. Leave us a comment, drop us an email. We'd love to hear from you.
The Naughty Artisan. The Naughty Artisan.